Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating Valentine's Day makeup. Normally Valentine's makeup is red or pink makeup, but I'm doing today soft eye makeup with red bold lipsticks, little bit sultry, and red lipstick gives you Valentine's vibes, same time looking stunning. So today I'm going to use most of the product from REVLON. So first I'm going to start with my skincare. So first I'm going to apply moisturizing from REVLON Pro Miracle Cream, and I'm going to apply whole my face and neck to keep my skin hydrating and long lasting makeup. It is very important to apply moisturizing no matter what kind of skin types and conditions have you got. Next, I'm going to apply primer from REVLON for long lasting my makeup. Next, I'm going to apply eye cream from Clinique to reduce fine lines and keeps my eye hydrating. Then I'm going to apply lip balm from Vaseline Rosy to keep my lip plump and smooth and reduce dryness and crackness. After prep my skin, I'm going to leave my skin at least 4 to 5 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next, I'm doing color correcting before applying foundation and concealer to correct the black circle eyes, uneven skin tone, pigmentation, blemishes, dark spots. So guys, apply the color correcting according to your skin conditions. So I'm using peach color correcting and I'm applying under eyes and where I have got uneven skin tone. Then I'm using finger method for blending. You can use beauty sponge or beauty brushes for blending. Foundation I'm using from MORPHE. Then I'm taking 2 pump in my hand and I'm going to mix with the Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator to get glowing base. If you got oily skin, do not use any illuminator. Then I'm going to apply from my finger dot and I'm using damp beauty sponge to get flawless result. Then I'm going to blend out properly till smooth and evenly apply, otherwise foundation will look cakey and unevenly applied. And don't forget to apply in the neck, otherwise your face skin and neck skin will look different. Next, I'm going to apply concealer from Maybelline Liquid Stick. Then I'm going to apply under my eyes, forehead, cheekbone where I needed to highlight. And for blending, I'm using a small beauty sponge for under my eyes and I'm looking upward and I'm going to blend out properly, and I'm using less amount of products. Next, I'm using another concealer from JACLYN for extra highlights under my eyes and I'm using less amount of products. Then I'm applying powder bronzer from REVLON and I'm going to apply cheekbone, forehead and jawline to give face definition and sun kiss effects. And blend out upward and blend out properly to make sure there is no harsh lines. Then I'm going to apply loose translucent powder, taking very less amount of powder and dust out excess of powder and apply before I start to crease concealer under my eyes, T-zone and around my mouth where I normally start to sweat. Next, I'm doing my eyebrow. So first I'm using spoolie and comb eyebrow upward. Then eyebrow pencil I'm using from MUA Micro Define Micro Pencil. Then I'm just going to fill sparse area. Same concealer from Maybelline I'm applying in whole eyelid to cover black skin and any veins, and when you apply eyeshadow, easy to blend out. Then I'm taking small beauty sponge, then I'm going to blend out till they smooth. Then when is concealer dry, I'm taking loose translucent powder and taking a small brush. Then I'm going to set up the concealer. Then I'm using how to master the art of baking techniques, using baking powder and powder puff and apply under eyes. When you apply eyeshadow, any fallout you can clean easily. And I'm going to apply upper jaw line to add little extra definition. Then I'm going to leave like that till I finish the eye makeup. Eyeshadow palette I'm using from REVLON Pasties, all neutral colors. First color I'm using very light skin color. Then I'm taking floppy brush and applying whole eyelid and eye crease. Then I'm taking very less amount of products and build up slowly and blend out properly to make sure there is no harsh lines. Second color I'm taking little darker color than before, then applying in outer corner of my eyes to give smoky effects and more depth looking. And I'm using a small floppy brush to blend out. And I'm taking few times that color to build that color and make sure there is no harsh lines. Next I'm applying eyeshadow glue from NYX and apply in middle of eyes. Then using flat brush and using little bit gold and silver shimmer color of eyeshadow and apply middle of the eyes. Again I'm using same color and diffusing the shimmer and darker color to make sure blend out properly and there is no harsh lines. And fourth color I'm using very dark neutral brown color and I'm using flat brush, then just apply upper lash line to eye wing to give eyeliner effects. No need perfect when you apply. Then just go backward and forward and smudge out. Mascara I'm using from L'Oreal Mega Volume. Then I'm taking clean big floppy brush. Then I'm going to clean all baking powder and dust out properly. Any fallout I'm going to clean out properly. Eye pencil I'm using from REVLON, then apply in waterline. Then I'm taking light brown color eyeshadow, then just apply lower eyelash and smoke out. And I'm applying highlighter in eyebrow bone and corner of eyes. Blush palette I'm going to use from REVLON, and I'm going to mix peach and red color and apply high point of cheekbone. Highlighter from REVLON, just apply high point of cheekbone. Apply lipstick from Kiko Milano Joyful Holiday Desire shade 04. Finally, I'm going to apply makeup setting spray from REVLON. Then let it dry. So guys, this is my final Valentine's Day makeup, soft eye makeup with very red bold lipsticks. So guys, you can recreate this look very easily and enjoy your Valentine's Day with loved ones. And thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And I love you guys all. Thank you once again and take care. Bye.